Alaxandra. Welcome to Storytime. Hope you guys are doing well today. I want to do an action rhyme with you guys. Can everybody stand up and make sure you don't hit any furniture or anybody around you? Okay, get ready. This is big, big, big. This is small, small, small. This is tall, tall, tall. This is short, short, short. This is fast, 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 fast. This is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. This is no, no, no. Wow, you guys were great at that. Well, I have some friends here, and they are all taking a nap. All of them except for Elephant because he has the hiccups. Oh no, Elephant. Well, that woke Chimp up. And Chimp said to Elephant, I can help cure your hiccups. And he told Elephant, you just have to stand on your head and eat a banana. Well, I'll try it, but all it did was make Elephant dizzy and kaboom! He fell right on top of Chimp. But everybody was okay. Guess that didn't work. Well, then Lion woke up. And Lion said, all you have to do is drink a lot of water. Okay, I'll give it a try. And he drank and drank and drank and hiccup! That didn't work. Well, that woke Zebra up. And Zebra said, all you have to do is count backwards from 10. Well, I'll give it a try, said Elephant. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, that didn't work either. Well, then Mouse woke up, and he was not happy. Who is making all that noise? It's poor Elephant, said Chimp. He has the hiccups. So Mouse looked him right in the eyes and said, boo! And everybody waited and waited and waited, and there were no more hiccups. So everyone went back to sleep. Everyone except for Elephant. Achoo! Oh no, Elephant. Oh well, I guess he'll have to have a nap tomorrow. I have some other friends I wanted to show you. These are my 5 fishy friends. Well, they were very naughty fishies. They like to tease the shark. 5 little fishies teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Well, along came Mr. Shark and chomp! 4 little fishies teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. And along came Mr. Shark and chomp! 3 little fishies swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. And along came Mr. Shark and chomp! 2 little fishies swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Shark and chomp! 1 little fishy swimming in the sea, teasing Mr. Shark. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Shark and chomp! No little fishies teasing Mr. Shark because they're all gone in his tummy in the dark. Oh, hopefully they're friends when they're in his tummy. Well, thank you guys for joining me for Storytime. Have a great day.